Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is OBAAPA'S kitchen, guys. Today's video is very fantastic and very so exciting. Okay, as you can see guys, I have this plan in mind. If you are like me, okay, give me a thumbs up. So what I'm going to do here is just a simple easy Banku or Kenkey sauce or pepper sauce or okra sauce or whatever sauce guys you call this. This is very authentic Ghana style. Okay, I remember back home my dad used to make this a lot because this is his favorite, guys. So I decided to share with you my recipe and my dad's recipe combined together. Okay, so I'm going to show you how he made this delicious Kenkey or Banku. So let's say that you made okra stew with Banku, okay, and then all of a sudden the kids ate all the okra stew, okay, or the okra stew, and you still have leftover Kenkey or Banku. You don't know what to do with it, you don't want to throw it away, you don't have time to make another okra stew, guys. This is for you, okay. This recipe is for you. It's very easy, very authentic. Okay, so by the time we are done, everything put together, you're gonna be like, wow, this is good. And not just wow guys, it's gonna taste good as well. Okay, so we are here to make traditional or authentic Ghana hot pepper sauce or okra sauce, whatever we call it. So let's jump into the ingredients. All right, so first of all, I have this diced fresh tomatoes right here. I used about 3 pieces, and also I have diced red onion. If you don't have red onion, that's okay, you can use white onion, yellow onion, whatever onion you have, you can use it. This is about half. And when you come here, I have Ghana, we used to call it mokojanye. Do you remember? This is mokojanye or chili pepper. Okay, I am going to use this one. This stuff here is not that spicy. Okay, so I am going to use this. And guys, when you buy this stuff here, it's dry. They dry it, so it's very hard. So to get that soft texture, it's either you can cook it, boil it, or you can soak it in the water to get that soft texture. Okay, and this side, of course guys, I have my cooked okra, cooked okro in kunuma ayanwa. Yes, and also beka humbi na wankaswaye and na openyi the penny authentic style. This is mackerel head. Okay guys, if you don't like this, you can skip this, but trust me, add this fried crispy, what did they do, crispy mackerel head into the sauce. Okay, so I will show you what to do with it so you get the idea. Okay, I'm in the power. And also guys, I have my salt right here. I'm going to use some, I'm not going to use all of it. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Let's get started. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have my pepper. I add a little bit of onion on this side. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Okay, and then you're going to blend it authentic way. Yes guys, this is the real deal right here. Alright guys, so as you can tell, this is good. So now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Okay, with the tomatoes should be good. It's easy to blend. Just the pepper. And you know what, some people like to actually, they like to eat this, just the tomato, okay, itself, but I mean, it's very good when you add the okra as well. So this way, it's easy to blend. Or if you're not a big fan of okra, guys, you can just leave it the way it is. All you have to do is just add the fish, and that's it. Alright guys, so our tomato is good. So like I said, if you don't like the fish, you can just eat it the way it is. Or you don't like the okra, you can skip it, okay? But this recipe actually is gonna go. So I'm gonna add the fish head. Say chill, no? That's what I'm talking about, guys. Yes. Yes. This is what I am talking about. And some people like to enjoy it just like this too, with just the fish head. Yeah. Oh, look at that, guys. Really Kenkey pana. The corner and tell the corner and tell. Alright guys, so this time this is good, so I'm gonna add the okra. Like I said, this is option. Okay, but it tastes very nice with the okra. So if you on your lazy days you don't have any time to make your okra stew and you still want to enjoy your kenkey or your banku, this recipe is definitely for you. Okay, so we are done. Just like that. We are done. Okay. Alright guys, so as you can see, your okra and hot pepper sauce is done. It's looking very, very delicious. So if you are like me, you enjoy with your kenkey right here, okay? Your kenkey or your entaldokon, whatever you have, okay? But with me, guys, I like to add avocado. That is me. You don't have to add it, but me, I love avocado. Ghana is a pear. Yes. So you add your pear just like that, okay? And if you like more onions, put Jane semia. Put the beer day. Google so no one. Pentosa, more tomatoes, feel free and add it. Just like that. And like that, you have your pepper with okra, everything, okay? So guys, you can see it's looking very, very delicious. This is how it looks. So with this, you can enjoy with your kenkey, your banku, or even you can enjoy with plantain or yam. Yes, you can eat this with plantain or yam as well. And if you like potatoes too, you can enjoy with potato. Thank you so much for watching. This is how I make my authentic traditional hot pepper with okra, okay, sauce for your kenkey and your banku. Don't forget to subscribe to this video and like, share, comment. And I'll see you on my next one. Love you guys. Have a blessed day. We say any mention and be a match. Now me fish me tilapia be my bono. It's gonna go very good with it. So enjoy. Why? We do and what if you play a any problem idea? I will problem idea and quine. Love you guys. Bye.